From yesterday onwards, we are telling about the boosters, like protein, vitamin C, echinacea, like that. Now, today my topic is are three supplements, immunity boosters. They are daily, tulsi, and Vasaka Muleti Surasa. So first start with daily. Daily, daily is a tablet. It is in tablet form. When you have to use means, if you feel tired at the end of the day, if mental or physical exhaustion is there, then the major cause for energy drain is vitamins and mineral deficiencies. So for that, because of this, most of us fail to have the recommended 5 servings per day. Per day, the requirement of uh, fruits is five serving of fruits and vegetables will give you the recommended amount of vitamins and minerals per day, every day. So if you are fast paced or changing lifestyle, skipping meals, processed food if you are taking, and adulterated food you are taking due to pollution, smoking, and alcohol consumption, can have an impact on your overall well-being. Then Nutrilite Daily is the multivitamin and multi-mineral tablet to fulfill your daily nutritional requirement when taken with your regular diet. It's uh, it's special. Why? How means it will improve energy levels and immunity. It will also improve our immunity. Then each tablet of Nutrilite Daily contains 13 essential vitamins and 11 minerals to cover broadly cover all nutritional requirements. It contains 12 immunity building nutrients which will support our nutrition requirement every day, and which cover 100% RDA, recommended dietary allowance, of nine immunity supporting nutrients. Then each tablet covers 100% of RDA of 13 nutrients and 50% RDA of 4 nutrients. And it also contains, daily also contains vitamin B1, vitamin B2, magnesium, and iron, which support energy yielding metabolism. Then iron and calcium and iodine is also there in daily, which will support our nervous system and mental performance. Then biotin is also there in daily, which helps to maintain healthy hair and healthy skin. Then again, calcium is also there. Calcium will help in maintaining bone health, and selenium is also present in the daily, which will support thyroid function. Then it is made with natural plant concentrates. The daily tablets made up of natural plant concentrates. They are acerola cherry, parsley, spinach, watercress, alfalfa, and carrot from Nutrilite organic forms. And daily will provide additional benefits of phytonutrients and antioxidants. And it in daily, no artificial colors are and flavors are added, and no preservatives are there. So to fulfill our requirement of 5 servings of fruits and vegetables every day, we have to take one tablet with our meals daily. Then to whom we have to suggest this, if people are having busy lifestyle, and sports person or an elderly person, if they want to add supplements in their regular diet, we can suggest them. And if they are consuming processed foods, if they are smokers, or if they drink alcohol, Nutrilite Daily is for them. We have to suggest them compulsory daily one tablet. Then comes to tulsi, Nutrilite Tulsi. Tulsi is an hub. Tulsi hub is known to help in supporting immunity, being a potent adaptogen. Potent adaptogen means Asian ginseng root is considered a potent adaptogen to increase mental alertness and resistance to stress. So, it's Tulsi is an potent adaptogen and having an antioxidant effect. So, what is antioxidant means? It will give you abundant electrons. Whenever free radical release, it will give electron. Then Nutrilite Tulsi has assured levels of 2% of the beneficial active ingredient, ursolic acid, which is present in the extract of the aerial part of the certified organic Tulsi herb, which is cultivated from non-GMO seeds. Non-GMO seeds. What is non-GMO seeds means? Uh, Non-GMO means a product was produced without genetic engineering and its ingredients are not derived from GMOs. And these seeds are will follow following the rigorous 9 steps process. The right species goes into the tablet, which is ensured by DNA fingerprints, and we ensure purity, safety, and potency in the extract of herbs that go in every Nutrilite Tulsi tablet. And one Tulsi tablet has extracts from about 100 dried organic Tulsi leaves. Means in one tulsi tablet, it contains a leaves, dried leaves. Maximum 100 dried leaves are there in one in each tulsi tablet. And benefits of tulsi is, if we take tulsi, uh, we can get the benefits like it will help in supporting immunity. It will support our immunity. And being a potent adaptogen, it will also increase our immunity levels, and it will build our immunity, support our immunity, and having an antioxidant effect. Again, it will increase our immunity. Then usage of this tablet is per day we have to take one tablet or twice in a day. Two tablets also we can take. And comes to Vasaka, Muleti, and Surasa. Nutrilite Vasaka, Muleti, and Surasa uses time-tested herbal ingredients to support respiratory health. Each individual herb is known to independently support natural respiratory comfort due to its known expectorant and anti-inflammatory benefits. So the benefits of this Vasaka is it will support natural respiratory comfort due to its known expectorant and anti-inflammatory benefits. And it will also support and maintain respiratory health. And it contains an ingredient known to have antioxidant properties. And it also contains ingredient known to have immunomodulatory properties. And the usage, the suggested amount of this Vasaka is one tablet or two tablets in a day. Thank you.